So the news is that Congo fever is in India, in Palghar, Maharashtra. It's a worry to all of us in this already terrifying COVID-19 scenario with the emergence of a new virus. Let us understand what is Congo fever, its symptoms, how is it transmitted, its detection, and if it can be cured. What is Congo fever? Let's look at symptoms, transmission, and diagnosis. Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever, referred to as CCHF, is caused by infection with a tick-borne virus. It was recognized in 1969 as the cause of illness in the Congo, thus resulting in the current name of the disease as Congo fever. How is Congo fever transmitted? Numerous wild and domestic animals, such as cattle, goats, sheep, and hares, serve as amplifying host for the virus. Transmission to human occurs through contact with infected ticks or animal blood. Congo virus can be transmitted from one infected human to another by contact with infectious blood or body fluids. Let's look at the symptoms of Congo fever. The onset of Congo virus is sudden, with initial signs and symptoms including headache, high fever, back pain, joint pain, stomach pain, and vomiting. Red eyes, flushed face, a red throat are common. So, the biggest question is who is at the risk of exposure? Animal herders, livestock workers, and slaughterhouse workers in endemic areas are at a very high risk of Congo virus. Even healthcare workers working in endemic areas are at a risk of infection through unprotected contact with infectious blood and body fluids. Laboratory diagnosis of a patient with a clinical history compatible with Congo virus can be made during the acute phase of the disease using a technique like RT-PCR or ELISA. So, what's the line of treatment? General supportive care with treatment of symptoms is the main approach to managing Congo fever in people. The antiviral drug ribavirin has been used to treat Congo fever infection with apparent benefit. Both oral and intravenous formulations seem to be effective. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Please share this video with your loved ones. We hope you find this video useful. Please let us know in the comments. Also, let us know if you have any other information regarding Congo fever.